Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now with the different swimming pool types, obviously your installation process is going to be different on every one of them. With the fiberglass pools, your shell is coming delivered in one piece. So I often get the question from people, how are you going to get the shell into my backyard? And the answer is actually quite simple. Even if there's not a lot of access into the backyard, getting the pool in is not a problem. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about how to get a fiberglass pool into your backyard. So let's dive in. Okay, so there may not be a ton of access getting into your yard. And even if you've got an open space behind it or you're on a corner lot and you've got easy access from the side, our method of getting the pool shell into your backyard and into the hole that's been dug for it to be installed in is the same most of the time. And I'm going to tell you what, the process is one that typically brings a lot of the neighbors out to watch. So whether your yard has a lot of easy access into it or the access is limited, we typically will use a crane to hoist the shell off of the trailer that it shows up on and into your backyard. So sometimes we're going over a fence if you're on a corner lot and there's easy access for that, or possibly access from, say, a green belt space behind the lot. But quite often we will literally crane the pool over your entire house. And yes, this is definitely a process that typically brings all of the neighbors out to watch. And this can be done with one-story homes or two-story homes, and depending on the distance from where the pool is going to be taken off the trailer to where it's going to be dropped down into the hole in the backyard, determines the size crane that we need. So typically we've got up to 70 feet from where the pool is going to be taken off of that trailer and dropped down into the hole to be able to use the standard crane size. If it's going to be farther than 70 feet, then we would need to upgrade to a slightly larger crane. So the pool will show up on the trailer, the crane will show up separately, and then the crane will hoist that swimming pool off of the trailer over the house and drop it directly down into the hole already dug in the backyard. And as you can see, it is definitely a process. But this is one of the benefits of the fiberglass pool. We can actually install pools in yards that have very limited access, where in the same yard it may be difficult to get all of the equipment and machinery in to dig and construct another type of pool like a gunite pool. So with only, say, 6 to 8 feet of access, we can get in the necessary equipment to dig the hole, and then the pool can be taken directly over the house or directly over a fence, and you can install a small, a medium, or even a large size pool in your backyard without having to have any additional access. So if access into your yard is something that's made you think you may not be able to get a pool, you may want to think again and you may want to consider a fiberglass pool. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out, 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. Can't wait to talk to you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming.